And I'm not sure which way we're going. There's a place that's my favorite, and I'm not sure which way to go. This is the prairie part of the nature center. Oh, look at all that moss. Isn't that pretty? Oh my god. I want to take that home. Let's see what's up ahead. It's 60 degrees where I am today, and that is freezing for me. All the lovely woods. What's in there? Oh, more moss. Isn't that pretty? I've got 50,000 things going on in my head, but I don't know what to say. Here's a lovely little poem. If you all want to pause and read that. Righty. Again, if I cut out suddenly, it's because there's other hikers on these trails, and I'm trying to be respectful of their space. Bob's trail is coming up. Let's see where this leads us. Oh, it's windy and it's cold. Oh, there's some mistletoe. Oh, mistletoe. I think we're gonna take Bob's trail. See where that leads us. I think this might lead. There's the marsh. Is this the marsh? This is not the marsh. Oh, there's the green dragon trail. We're gonna take this way. If there's other nature lovers on here, please let me know what are some of your favorite places. There's some information about this center, because I love to go out and hike when I have time. I live in a very diverse part of the country. We have lots of forests, we have mountains, we have lakes, we have deserts, we have beaches. So let me know, what are some of your favorite places to go hiking or to explore nature? Thank you.